Beneath his soul thrive in the wind, with ease he began. Branded the scarlet heathen, regardless kith and kin. Live life a struggle, but bones stay attached to his skin. Still down for the hustle, incinerating stone or rubble, ripping mics on places he been. Stages made moments, his demos were omens. A new chapter in dawn, his era turns golden. Refusing to give in to a body tattered and torn, weathered and worn, patiently waiting since the day he was born. He asked for no praises, crowds the same faces, striding on with same paces, on he races. Sowing seeds, planting bases for his sermon to grow. Moments seize, faces yet survives mortal blows. Trying to save the industry from lyrical dungeon to smoke. Start a new chapter with the rap messiah, triggering the hip-hop hope.
You've been patiently waiting for the game, cause without me there was no game. It's like I've been the one you've been waiting for. The savior of rap, the savior of hip-hop. ACE, you wanna be for me, son. Rap industry's chosen one.
We roll the testamental, fuck the sentimental. Sweat dripping pores, definitely judgmental. Sun-scorched porches, tan wine papers. Made John Doe's skin disappear like vapors. The heavyweight champ, they crunch like wafers. Outscore the mainstream cause they ain't the Lakers. Still getting green, they still find it hard to wake us. Fakers still don't move me with kindergarten poetry. Wake up soldier, your drill's unrehearsed. Who aim where it hurts, faggot? Who's the enemy? Desert storm born, took it over like a mutiny. Fuck the industry, this the MC Galaxy. East Coast made, styles NYC. Don't even try me, I slash your artery. Toothless gapers like rapists trying to take us, so break us. Fake ass motherfucker, this time I bring the ruckus.
Wanna be for me, son. You can't fuck with the rap messiah. You wanna be for me, son. Rap industry's chosen one. You wanna be for me, son. You can't fuck with the rap messiah. You wanna be for me, son. Rap industry's chosen one.
It's like tick tick boom, it's the incredible. Back so soon, they don't even think it's possible. Licked it, wicked it, whacking empties like a popsicle. They frozen on the mandible. I must be Hannibal, ruthless like a cannibal. My style's inevitable, generally made. I'm acting straight from the capital. Blessed with an armor that's lyrical. You don't wanna fuck with the general. Some say I'm mythical, attitude unethical. I kick you in your testicle till you got nothing but a peace pipe beside. So curb, let me make it just a little simple. Don't forget to grab a paper and a pencil. That when it comes to verbal skills, I'm branded undefeatable. Ace of the game, ready, willing, and able. With skills like Kane, favorite like Abel. From underground to top dog, hot pick on cable.